Okay, marami rin nagtatanong ng best training or workout split. Nag-start ako nung 13 years old, upper body, lower body. Lahat ng upper, lahat ng lower. Tas every time na sa gym or everyday abs. Tapos yung cardio, everyday basketball, bata pa lang, 13. Nung 16, no medyo bumibigat na, back ka superset chest. And then legs ka superset shoulders. And then bicep ka superset ng tricep. And then abs. Yun. Tagal yun, mga 10 years yun. And then now, na 45 ako, whole body. Kunwari, shoulders, side raises, 3 sets. Tapos back, lat pull down or pull-ups, 3 sets. Tapos chest, incline dumbbell press, 3 sets. All out sets yun, ganun. And then lower ko naman, squats, yan. And then everyday abs. And then kinabukasan, iba na naman, pero whole body. Kasi para laging puno tignan, tas maganda, tas nakaka-burn na fat, mabilis yung metabolism. Do what works for you. Yan ang personal choice ko. Gawin nyo yung para sa inyo, what works for you.